Get into it, son. Can you do the honours of filming me?
I guess I can do that. Yeah. Fucking cold, man.
Yeah, it's a little bit cold, eh?
Oh, look at her.
Fucking home. It's home.
She's finally here.
Don't worry about that. We're fixing that.
Yeah, look at it. Pay attention to it. Hefty.
Did you bring the alternator?
I did.
Thank you, sir. Oh, I got an old full tensioner and all.
Yeah, I know, it's a bastard. It's a bastard, alright? I tried. You know, it just didn't want to play games, so.
I'll get it out.
Yeah, I figured you would.
Yeah, sick. Because on the drive home, we got a bit of a battery light going on, and then lost all our gauges. The speedo went out. That was a weird.
Oh,
Yeah, I was.
that's a bit strange when you have no power.
I was cruising at 80, and I was losing Kane like so quickly. I was losing him, and then sure enough, check the GPS of how fast we were going. It was 126. I was like, oh, that felt a bit quicker than 80. And then my fuel gauge went from 3/4 of a tank
To
to
nothing.
empty in like 45 seconds.
Mate, that's a record for an eco man. 3/4 of the tank,
And then
whole
like an
under a
hour
minute.
later, it started just spluttering, and I had to pull over and hook up the jumper leaves and just let it charge up the battery for like 5 minutes, just to be able to drive another 10 minutes. So I made it all the way, literally, all the way till about 15 minutes from home, and I had to pull over and sit there for like 15 minutes fucking around at the servo. And then made it 5 minutes, had to pull over, fuck around again, and then made it all out.
So it was a mission to get it home.
Oh, it was a mission and a half. Bro, we wasted 40 minutes just trying to find a servo that was open to get fuel. Had to pick up wheels for Wherry, and that was like 45 minutes off course.
What's in the back? Fuck yeah, Zach, you got a new toy.
Mate, that's Gerald. Let me
Fuck
show you.
yeah. Where's Zach? Take it for a bomb down the hill.
Like, look, kind of half tempted.
Yeah,
When we pulled over
classic
and we're
Commodore.
trying to find what servo to go to, it was fake. Gerald was on the side of the road, right where we pulled over. Not the side of the
Surely.
road, but like the footpath.
Surely Zach bombs it.
Gerald, mate, look at the fucking eyes on you.
Can't we just grab the roof off him? Oh, but the roof is the character.
Yeah.
Wait, no, come to the front. Gerald's the mascot of this car now, alright? We're gonna fucking ratchet strap him to the roof and tip it in.
Oh, surely you can remember the wheels and shit.
How good am I, ready?
Didn't even need it.
Yeah, but there's your thumbnail right there.
Mate. He's a seedy bastard.
Oh, it's not a bad little whip, mate.
But yeah, overall, it's a bit like dinted up, like this guard here.
Nah, that's normal for Commodores, mate. I got the same dint.
Scratches on it, but the paint is really good for the colour that it is.
To be honest, she ain't got all that much fade, which is pretty
Yeah,
good.
It's dusty as all fuck right now, so you wait until you wash it. And then the ignition's kind of a bit fucked up right now.
No,
Waiting for the barrel to get sent to me.
I'm not even gonna bother. She's just here, sneak peek. What ignition?
Let's just say I'm glad I didn't get pulled over on the way home.
Yeah,
It
that's
very much looked like I stole this cunt.
fuck it up. Alright, your hands can freeze for a bit, Mr. GearHeadsOz.
Cheers, mate. So, she's got a pinhole leak at the heater tap, like on the plastic bit. So we're going to see if we can change the heater tap out, because it's too cold to just bypass it and not run heater right now, bro. It's freezing. Change the alternator. It's bleed the coolant. We've got to take the battery out and put her on charge because she dead.
It doesn't even work.
You don't need steering wheel, though.
Yeah, we do.
But yeah.
Yeah, bud!
Go on. That's hilarious, cunt.
Boy, she's sitting on 40, like, 3Ks all the time.
Oh, mate. They're manging.
Oh, you got 2 cup holders at the back
Hey.
here? Yeah.
Couple of JDs in there.
I reckon you
She's got go fast stickers. Couldn't tell you what they are, but
Mate, you'd be going so fast they're peeling.
fucking hell.
I still like this one.
T5 manual, 237 Ks. Bit of a how you going? But have a look at that, mate. What do you mean?
How will you assemble?
One thing I'm a little bit not too cheering about. It's the only issue I can say that I have with the car. It's not even really an issue. I'm sure you can figure it out just by that. She's fucking IRS, boys. But we'll make it work.
You almost got it.
We'll make it work.
Like, yeah, like fucking.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to take the roof off so Zach can see it. And then he's going down. Oh. And if he doesn't, I will.
Alright.
But the roof has been a bitch. Like. It's not really wanting to come off.
Just run the cunt over.
Yeah, get the cruiser out.
That would actually be him in. That would do the job.
Andrew.
Ah, fuck it, mate. Just chuck it in front of Bertha.
No, where's the pulse? Hold on.
Woody! You're kidding.
Oh, I
Oh,
don't think this is gonna work.
You reckon?
hold on.
Nah, get your leg all the way out the other side. Yeah! Hit the horn!
Don't.
You're gonna die.
Hold on, sit in it for a second. Oh, God.
What the fuck?
Nah, that roof's on there pretty good, eh?
You reckon? Oh shit, he's got some speed! Look at the wheel wobbling!
You're gonna feel like that's loose.
This cunt's got a few screws loose, mate. Look at him go! He's all the way at the pulse, he cunt. Mint! Look at him!
Which hammer?
Which hammer?
Both of them.
Do I go akimbo? Just
Yeah, just a Kimbo.
Yeah, no, your Kimbo will work. Remember, you still got to roll. Yeah, it's coming. That is not what we wanted to remove. The door come off instead, cunt.
The whole front of it comes. Shit, Gerald, your face is falling. Hey, your face will still be there. Take the whole front off. Take these support lines out. Sick.
Get the fucking...
Get the dog.
Gerald, I'm sorry.
Gerald, I'm sorry. Andrew's gonna come out. What the fuck is this? I can't record when I'm on falling to the ground in laughter. Just fucking. Bro, look at it. Look at how dented it is, and it's still hanging on. Wait, no, hold on. One of you stand in it and leave it, like, pull the roof off.
going for a bomb in it.
Gerald, what the fuck happened?
Fix it up.
Yeah, but
Oh, you guys are
I'll
killing
get
me.
that gun.
You guys are killing me. Walk him up, bring him up.
oh, surely just bend it.
Yeah, just bend it off. Yeah, no, that's the back
No,
support.
leave that.
The back support, mate.
We can put a wing on that.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Alright, are you
Wait,
taking
no,
it for a
just-
bomb or are you oh my eye?
We just
I'll
gave
take it for a
Gerald.
bomb.
We just gave Gerald a haircut. Gerald's fucking G-spec now, boys.
Yeah, that's perfect for you. So that's perfect. That's the shot.
Become less about the camera.
We fucking work on this thing and we're fucking with this. God.
Not Gerald. Gerald.
Donnie! We gotta work on the real car, fucking. Well, at least that one's horn works. This one only works when you fucking ground out the ignition. But yes. So what are we doing? We're gonna take the battery off first.
That
and-
bastard down there.
Yeah, gotta take the battery off, get that charging, and then we'll do everything else, and then
Oh,
hopefully.
what the fucking shit fuckery is this?
Don't worry about him. Hopefully, by the time we finish all this, the battery's charged enough. Because if you look at the sky over that way, we're looking a bit.
Moist.
Yes. What he said. Yeah, this morning -4.
Yeah.
Top of 9.
No wonder
That's Canberra right now. We got to Wollongong and got out of the car and it was like 11 degrees there or something. We were like, fuck, this feels nice, eh? And then the blokes were like, what?
I was on the phone with my dad. 27 degrees in Queensland.
Bastard.
You
That's right, but cars run better in Canberra because it's always cold.
You know, you're sitting there like, oh, I might take the boat out for a fish tomorrow. It looks quite nice. I'm like, you know. Here's your screw, mate.
Cheer, mate. Telling me to screw myself. Everyone remind me that's there. Thank you.
I think you ordered one of these, sir.
Yeah, not dead one, please. You got one of those?
Fucking VS's, man.
Yeah, it's this bit of the loom. Yeah, bud. Take that inside and we
Oh.
charge him.
Oh.
Yeah, Bud, Plenum, Spacer, look out. And look what Donnie's just done. What a mad dog. Piece of dog shit, garbage, fucking. Jesus.
Fucking combies
Alright.
in their alternator though.
Now to fucking
Yeah,
chuck
that
this
one.
not so good looking one in. We've got to get this off.
Hey, it's fucking, I think it
Tension.
works, but if not,
And-
we'll try another one.
Got a heat tap.
Ah, where's that flathead going?
Here's a flathead too, a small one. Might be easier. And I got some power steering fluid just because always need that when doing skiddy boys. Almost got it.
Almost.
Snap this bit to get it out.
Holy fuck.
How you going with that bottom hose, Donnie?
Yeah, you know, fucking not really going, but look at it, it's moist in there. We're a white jumper working on cars. Very fucking smooth. Boy!
Bye, Mr. GearHeadsOz. Oh no! Where did that nut go?
Righty.
What are you going and done now?
Can't get this fucking bastard. What the fuck is that for?
Ignition things.
Oh,
Get it back.
shit, Donnie.
Well, stand on the screwdriver.
That's what I was gonna do.
It works anyway. Why you gotta be so loud with that?
Need to try and get it to the other side.
I mean, it's close. You can probably just smack it off with a hammer
literally
now,
what I
can't
was about to
Boots!
do. Get out of there.
This
Now the
dog.
bolt should fit.
Fuck yeah, fucking oath. That's like factory.
Yeah, but
The front tires are shit. She's loving life. Into the carport she goes. Alright, we got to reposition this bad girl. Get this one going.
holy fuck! I hope that's not
So,
cooked now. But
Mad Dog Wary's come around to give me a hand, Micro Dog. We just got to strip all the accessories off to go onto the other block and whatnot. Got all our bits and pieces and bits and pieces and the top end gasket kit under that. Head bolts, all that good stuff. And oh fuck. And these bad boys, some rocker dogs. And yeah, where he was just having a suss of the motor, you know, looking at things, discovered a little something. The fuck's going on here? that doesn't go in there, mate.
I think there might have been a few hot ones in.
Maybe the corner, maybe the corner of the gasket was fucked there. So like, we use the wires.
Yeah, that'll get the dog.
Uh,
The rest looks
so not the bloke that I got it off, but the people that like did all the work to this thing and he bought it off, bro. I'm telling you,
Take that back.
they must have been some dodgy cunts. My mate
Maybe
bought
they
it.
were on the hot one.
My mate bought it for 4.5, the Mad Dog, but he doesn't know how to do any of this shit. He just knows how to skid. So he did none of this. Whoever the fuck did all this, you need to stop. Because there's that. There's the engine mount ready. Do you want to see something funny?
Yeah.
Look at this engine mount.
Oh, it doesn't even have a bolt in it.
Look at it all
Lovely.
shaved from being mashed around. I thought I had a bad engine mount, bro. The cunt's not even bolted in. The gearbox cross member, I've never seen a T5 cross member for a VS like this. It should have 2 bolts. It should be like square the whole way. Like,
It looks like mine, actually.
it looks like a VG or something. VP, yeah. It's there's some queer shit, but we'll make it work, mate.
We'll fucking get the dog.
Band it. Here we go. Yeah, fuck yeah. Here we go.
Just gonna back it up a bit more.
Alright, mate. Yeah, the priority rig's back. I wouldn't read about it. 4th time I've owned it. Nice new tail lights, weather shields, sound system, spotties, light bar. Look at that. New wheels are on, disc's not leaking anymore. Mate, she fucking rigged up. Mint. Wait, so is this what we're going in?
This fucking brown one.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
One will have to be in the front and one will have to be on this side in the back because the other door's textbook shut. On
Yeah,
this side.
no, I'll go in the back. It's better footage in the back for me. Don't need that where we're going, mate. Fucking to Mars, that's where. It's one of those race battery terminals.
Yeah.
Power on. Starts right up, what do you mean? Sort of, if it's mushy enough. I think she cut out.
Oh no.
But anyways, we clipped a tree. Look, that was a solid fucking smack. Oh, I love this shit. Yeah, that was a smack that done us.
I'm gonna drag it out, it'll go again.
Look at the trim tap on it. Oh my god.
Well, because we came manging down into that corner and that tree there. Ripped out a tree, cunt.
Doing that a favour.
Yeah. Tree loppers for free. Anyone need a... It's only a little crack. We'll take $50.
That's the one we got, right?
Yeah.
And then we just ended up fucking down there.
Yeah, well, I mean, it was better to hit that than to clip that fucking fence post, so... Oh, shit.
I seen it coming. I was like, what?
Yeah. Look, I had a...
Seen it coming as soon as the box stopped slipping.
Yeah.
How far of a walk have we got?
Oh man, so it's just wait for a sec, I'll ring.
Yeah. Have we got service?
Here's my phone.
Service? Have you got service on
No. Is that your phone?
Oh, that is my phone. I
Yeah.
didn't think I had it.
Now to find mine. Yep.
Oh, up this.
Optus, yeah, bud. Yeah, I got a little bit of service. Well, that was sick, but she goes hard, cunt. If she wasn't stuck, she'd still be going. No doubt about it. You right, mate?
Yeah.
Banging shit. Got some rigs about, moving them around and whatnot. Yeah, go Andrew. Send him, son. Yeah, bud. Good? Yep.
I am the steering wheel.
That's probably enough space now.
What's your bun? What's your bun?
Wide load. Look at that fucking sight. Two dirty dogs that don't run. What a surprise. Fuck me. These two sort of match colour.
If I had a tow ball, we could put the BS turbo back in.
Imagine if you did, eh? Some cunt must have stolen it.
Funny that one, eh?
Holy shit.
That was my hand, mate.
Alright, wait, fucking. Oh. You hold that for a second, sir?
Sure can. Oh, he's got it. Oh. Alright.
What? Wait, wasn't a blue video supposed to go here?
Well, the cunt don't fucking move.
Yeah, but we could still fucking
We
go
could have
full
rolled it
lock
like
way.
that. No, but then we would have had to pull the turbo, and that would have been a big effort as well.
Let's do a tip run, fuck it. That's all I know.
Yeah, mate.
Gee, mate.
Yeah, there's a brick under this now, yeah?
You might.
Sweet.
You lost the lanyard.
Oh, it's got a key on it too. Wouldn't believe it.